What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGM Classic Cars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you a new video on our new arrival. We just got this car in. This is a special one. 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, split window. Man, is this a cool car. I'm going to tell you more about it. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions about it. I'm pretty excited for this one. So under the hood, we have the numbers matching. I believe this one was a 327 to 340 horse. Numbers matching engine. The exterior on this car is absolutely beautiful. The paint job is beautiful. Pretty much no flaws in this car. I mean, none. I haven't found any. The thing runs great. Here's the special part, that iconic split rear window. Listen to that cam. Nice cam they put in. Sounds great. I love the sound of it. All your bumpers, everything's in good shape. You got a 3-spoke. I believe this one is a walnut GM steering wheel. Four-speed. Only way it should be in a car like this. Horn works. Radio works. They put a custom auto sound in it. Tack works. You see, it runs really good. Great throttle response. Let's go ahead and turn it off. And like I said, as you can see, it runs really nice. It shifts in and out of gears really nicely. I mean, it shifts really, really nice. Your clutch isn't too heavy. Your clutch is nice. You get these factory floor mats. Hard to come by these nowadays. Your interior is pretty much immaculate. No flaws here. Really, really cool. Like I said, this does look like an original walnut steering wheel that somebody had repaired. As you can see, looks like there was a crack and then they repaired it, which is probably the best thing to do on a build like this. You want to retain that factory steering wheel. So these GM steering wheels are not cheap anymore. They run from you know, I've seen new old stock ones, especially the rosewood ones and the teak ones. They're big money. They're over $1,000. Like I said, I think this one's a walnut. Almost positive. Like I said, it looks like an original to me, and somebody had it repaired, which is the best thing to do instead of buying a reproduction, because it's still that original steering wheel, and these are the best ones to put in cars. Enough about the steering wheel. 78,000 miles on the odometer, which probably is right. Like I said, your interior is really nice. I'm not a tall guy. I'm about 5'7", 5'8", and I fit in this car really well. And there's still room to move the seat back. So if you're taller, you could put a different steering wheel in it, like a smaller one. But this car was made for guys like me. Like I said, 4-speed manual. You got the plaque here, the reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's our ashtray right there. Like I said, they put a custom audio sound radio in. They put it in vertically. That's how they came in this car. You got all of your knobs here. Your clock does work. I think the key might have to be on for the clock to work. It was just working, so. But yeah, I mean the clock. There it is. Clock does work. Pretty cool, right? It does stay on. It does stay on once the car is shut off. Now let's go into your glove box. Very clean, of course. Like I said, whoever restored this car did a fantastic job. Here's your 63 Corvette owner's guide. This is the first year of the Stingray. I don't think I have to explain why it's called the Stingray. Just look at it. It resembles a Stingray. So you got your owner's manual here. Like I said, I don't know if this is an original one. Probably not, because of how good of shape it's in. This thing is like brand new. But I mean, pretty much there you go, your owner's manual. Just a cool touch to have in any car. Your headliner, everything's leather in this car, which is pretty cool. Something I noticed about this car, everything's leather or vinyl, we'll call that, because that's what it was. So you got your vinyl sun headliner, which is great shape. You got your back cargo area, is what I would call this. And obviously, you could fit a lot of groceries back here, and that's exactly what I would do if this was my car. And then you got a little area, I believe this is where the spare tire would be. Right here. So you got that. It's not where the spare tire would be. I think the spare tire is actually on the bottom of the car. You got a little storage area. That's very nice. Like I said, the interior, very nice shape on this car. Your door panels are in great shape. Your windows roll up and down beautifully. I mean, smooth like butter. Your glass is in great shape, of course. On a car of this caliber, it has to be. Your vent windows, like I said, everything works as it should on this car. And like, this car is the real deal, guys. Let's go ahead and close our door. Door closes nicely. Your glove box was not latched, but your door does close nicely. Let's go ahead and latch this glove box. Typical 60s GM glove boxes, you gotta give them a slam. Like I said, doors close nicely. You don't really have to slam them. Your body lines are pretty much perfect. Like I said, at first, the paint on this car is pretty much perfect. I can't see any flaws. Your bumpers are pretty much perfect. Your windows, here's your fuel cap. I mean, pretty self-explanatory. If you know these cars, you really know these cars. These are pretty sought after. Like I said, this is the first year of the Stingray and the first year of the C2, I believe. So, as you can see, you got factory exhaust manifolds, it looks like. I believe this is a winter's intake. Yep, that's a winter's intake manifold. Edelbrock carburetor, which runs great on here. All your hoses look as they should. GM stamped. I mean, everything look. This is how the car would look. Minus the Edelbrock carburetor, of course. But you got your distributor, the cover. And like I said, I have pictures of the pad. You can see that it's numbers matching right there, which is really, really cool. Here's your battery down here. That's the rundown on this car. Like I said, it's a beautiful car. Let's go ahead and close the hood. Corvette hoods, you always bring them a little low and then drop them at the same time. I don't like to do them with one person, but sometimes you have to. The flip-up headlights do work. I'll show you that before we wrap this up, but I'm gonna give you one final walk around on the body. Like I said, every gap is perfect. All the glass is perfect. The trim is perfect. You got your steel wheels with the wheel caps. Like I said, this is a very, very special car because you don't find them. It's this color combo that you want, that silver with a black interior, numbers matching. So it's a very, 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 very special car. You got your chrome hood vents, by the way, which are not functional, as you could probably see. But yeah, that's my rundown. I'm going to show you that the headlights work. Let me show you that these headlights work, because a lot of people, they worry about that. Now, they do work at different paces a little bit, which is how 90% of them are. There you go, closed. So everything functions as it should on this car. Like I said, this is an outstanding car. Very, very cool. And it's a privilege to be taking photos and video and being able to be in front of this car, because if you know what this car is, you know what it is. 63 split window. My name is Mr. Jenkins. I hope you've enjoyed the video. We're located in Addison, Illinois, MGMClassicCars.com. Give us a call, 847-848-1850. We have special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured, enclosed. So send your phone number to that phone number I just gave you, 847-848-1850. Send a text with your zip code, and we will give you an enclosed shipping quote. We have a full service center for anything that needs to be addressed, but our cars are sold as is unless it is otherwise stated. Here's some of our other inventory. We have around 200 cars in stock that we own. We rarely do consignments, so we own our cars. Stop on by, everybody. You will not be disappointed. We have another C2. We have that C2. We got a lot of stuff, so we're the best for a reason. Stop on by. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Mr. Jenkins out.